stop thinking about photography as photography. What we're doing, we're creating memories for people, memories of moments that's not going to happen again ever, right? So when you look through those lenses, it's different. So you start looking at photography in a different way, okay? And as a business person, you need to be aware that you're going to go out, photograph, and you're going to come back and you're going to sell everything that you can sell. So you need to make extra money, because if you're doing like $300 sessions, that's not going to cut it, right? But again, this is all tied up with success. What success means to you? What is success to you? Success is different from me, it's different for you, different for everybody, right? For instance, success could be just buy a new car, using your photography money to buy a new car. That could be success to you. Or success could be my photography is going to pay for itself. That's a great goal, right? That's a great milestone, because that's how I split my milestones, right? I start photographing and I want to learn want to learn it, and then my second milestone was I'm going to get clients, and my third milestone was I'm going to photography will have to start paying for itself. And it took like 1 or 2 years, and photography was paying for itself with photography money. So doesn't matter what success looks like to you.